Bruce Lee once said, "Ever since I was a child I have had this instinctive urge for expansion and growth." To me, the function and duty of a quality human being is the sincere and honest development of one's potential. So here are the 5 rules of Bruce Lee to develop personal productivity. As you think, so shall you become. Our thoughts define who we are, shape the life we live, inspire the dreams we dream, and create the realities we accomplish. Whatever the beliefs and thoughts you hold about yourself for a period of time, they start turning into reality. The same beliefs can make your life, or mess up with your everyday life. Thoughts and feelings combined have power to almost bring you whatever you want. It is some kind of manipulation, or a trick to make your mind, to make you achieve whatever you want. Keep yourself and your thoughts on the right track to reach your goals. If you spend too much time thinking about a thing, you'll never get it done. Many people in this world keep thinking about what they will do in life. They keep daydreaming about doing this and doing that. However, none of their thought ever gather around what they should do today to enjoy their dreams one day. If you have dreamt of something, you can surely achieve it. Not a single soul in this whole world can stop you from achieving it. However, to achieve it, you have to start taking serious steps towards it, no matter how hard it is. Don't overthink, don't delay, and just do it. To know oneself is to study oneself in action with another person. When you are with another person, that person sees your actions. What he or she sees is who you really are from another point of view. To actually really know yourself, you need to see the opinion of another person. Examine how you interact with these people in your life, and how these interactions reflect on you. If you have a great relationship with someone, good about you is reflected. If you're vexed by someone, bad about you is coming to light from these interactions. We are just getting input from our interactions and relationships. How people respond to you says a lot. And what you see, hear and feel in other people may be a reflection of you. Showing off is the fool's idea of glory. Fools who seek attention for what they do without having really accomplished anything. If you seek to draw attention to the little things, and seek rewards for them, you deny yourself the ability to aim higher. Little accomplishments or temporary goals are stepping stones to long-term excellence. Make the stepping stones your goal and you end up with rubble spread across a field with no orientation or purpose. Bragging is an attempt to gain validation from others, but it alienates those around you and makes you look needy. Instead, practice inner validation by setting and achieving goals. To hell with circumstances, I create my opportunities. Sometimes all we need is to ignore the circumstances, and take a step forward. To allow serendipity to happen, to give space for the unexpected, for the gracious, and for the glory to create the opportunities. The challenges are nothing but opportunities. Be curious about the problem, just like the child who picks himself up and gets excited again. It is never easy, but what other option do you have? The failure or outcome is just a situation, a circumstance. The most important thing is what you do about it. Circumstances or challenges or opportunities are words and possibilities. Be proactive instead of reactive, don't blindly go with the flow. Be willing to take the lead to get what you want. So guys, keep going, stay focused, and never lose your hope and beliefs. Signing out, see you soon on my next video.